Hi and welcome to Integrate 2025. I'm Rob Mayer on the Madison AV stand, and behind me we've got our fantastic Philips video wall using the Philips Q Series panels, and it's being driven by SpinetiX digital signage players and SpinetiX Elementi software. The wall is running a brand new player from SpinetiX, which is the IBX 440, and this is a 4 HDMI output, simultaneous output player that allows us to run content to the video wall that you can see there. It works with all sorts of various resolutions and formats. So if you've got an unusual type of display that you want to run content to, this is the perfect device for it. SpinetiX players are known to be industry leading. They are rock solid, 24/7, and there's a range of players from the standard IBX 410 through to the hypermedia player, which is the HMP 400 that's been running for some time now. They've got long warranties, they have exceptional duty cycles, and come and talk to Madison about SpinetiX digital signage players.